Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to install Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime into your PC, well, this one's quite easy. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up system information. So, you want to go and just go to your search bar here, just type in system information. You should see this one. So, go and open it up, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, in here, you want to go to system summary, and you want to look for the system type. Now, you want to look what is the system type here. So currently I'm a x64 base PC, so you need to remember that. So x64, I'm currently using that. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to open up any browser here and just type in the following. It's going to be Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Now you want to look for Microsoft Developer here. So this is their official website. Now remember, only download files from the official website. So it's going to be developer.microsoft.com. Now in this case, you should see Microsoft Edge WebView. Now, you want to go and just click on it, and this would redirect you to the download page. Now, in the download page, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see this section, and you want to look for the option that says Evergreen Standalone Installer. Now, like what I said before, you need to remember what is your system. So currently, I'm using a x64 system architecture here. So what you need to do is you want to go and click on x64. It's going to give you this pop-up here. So you want to go ahead and just go to the very bottom here and click on accept and download, and it's going to start the download process. Now, once the download is complete, you can go open it up where this is actually located. It's going to click on the folder icon here, so you can open up the .exe file. Now, go and double click on the .exe file here to open up the installer, and the installer should start running. Now, the installer is quite easy to use. You just need to follow the on-screen steps, agree to a few things, and that would actually install the Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime. Again, it might take a while to pop up, so just go and just wait for it. So currently, it's now installing. Again, just wait for a while, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.